Welcome to this QuickBooks tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new account and add an opening balance. Let's get started. First, ensure you are on the home screen. If you are on another screen, close or navigate away to get to the home screen. From the home screen, navigate to the Lists tab at the top menu, then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Account button at the bottom of the list, then select New. This will open a form to create a new account. Choose the appropriate account type from the options provided. For this example, we'll select Bank, then enter a name for the account. Let's call it New Bank Account. Fill in the necessary details such as the description. When you're ready, enter the opening balance and the date. Remember to double-check the details before proceeding. After entering all the details, click on Save and Close. Your new account has been created and added to the chart of accounts. To verify the account, open the Reports menu at the top. Then select Company and Financial and choose Balance Sheet Standard. Scroll down to the Bank Accounts section and find New Bank Account. You'll see the opening balance is correctly reflected. Additionally, you can see the effect in the Opening Balance Equity section, which should reflect the same amount as the opening balance. That's it. You've successfully created a new account and added an